Hello everybody and welcome to the show. This week we have the best way I found to cook bacon. Here you go. I have a pound of bacon. I have it on a cookie baking sheet on racks, aluminum foil underneath, and it's just ready to go into the oven. Here on the oven, I am going to put it on 375, and as soon as you'll see preheating. All right, here we go. I'm taking it straight into the oven while it's preheating. Okay, so everybody say hi to Beezy. Give a like for Beezy, everybody. She can't wait to have some bacon. All right, go straight up to 25 minutes. All right, now this is still during preheat, and we're not. Let's see, it's still during preheat. So we're not doing this with a hot oven. We're doing cold oven, straight to a preheat, and going on up. All right, once you're done for that, you do it on 5 minutes. And turn off the oven. All right, see, oven's off. Now leave it sit for that 5 minutes, and it comes out beautiful. That white stuff is just the fat on top and everything. It's just so delicious. Now, excuse me. What I do with the bacon from here is I'll take it and stick it straight into a bowl and put it in the refrigerator and go from there. I use it on my salads. I use it in my eggs and everything. Now, it's not crispy. If you want crispy, put it in for 30 and then 5. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next time. All right, bye.